In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up your Google Keep notes so you always have a safe copy you can access outside of Google Keep. Whether you're cleaning up your notes, switching devices, or just being cautious, having a backup is a smart habit that takes only a few minutes. Let's start at your computer. Open your preferred web browser and go to keep.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that holds the notes you want to back up. If you use more than one Google account, it's worth double checking that you're in the right one before you continue, so you don't accidentally back up the wrong notes. Once Google Keep is open, you'll see all your notes laid out as cards. Find the specific note you want to back up and click on it to open it. This expands the note so you can see all of its content clearly. Take a moment here to make sure the note looks the way you want it to be saved. If you need to fix formatting, add missing details, or remove anything you don't want in the backup, this is a good time to do it. Now look at the bottom of the open note. You'll see several icons. Find the one that looks like three vertical dots, often labeled as the More menu. Click on that. This opens a small menu with extra options related to your note. From this menu, choose Copy to Google Docs. When you select this, Google Keep will automatically create a new Google Docs document containing the contents of your note. You might see a brief message at the bottom of the screen saying that the note is being copied, and then another message confirming that the document has been created. This step turns your simple Keep note into a full document that you can download, edit more deeply, or store somewhere else as a backup. Next, you'll move over to Google Docs to grab a local copy of this new document. There are a couple of easy ways to get there. You can click the notification that appears in Google Keep after the copy is created, or you can open a new browser tab and go to docs.google.com. Once you're in Google Docs, look for the document that was just created. It will usually have the same title as your note, or if your note doesn't have a title, it might be labeled something like Untitled Document. Open that document. With the document open in Google Docs, you're ready to save a copy to your computer. Go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. In the menu that appears, hover over or click on Download. You'll see several format options like Microsoft Word, PDF, or plain text. Choose the format that works best for how you plan to use or archive your backup. PDF is great for a read-only archive, while a Word or editable format is helpful if you want to keep editing later. After you select a format, your browser will download the file to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. From there, you can move it into a specific backup folder, sync it to an external drive, or upload it to another cloud storage service. You can repeat these steps for any other Google Keep notes you want to back up, following the exact same flow each time. This simple process gives you more control over your information and an extra layer of protection in case anything ever happens to your notes online.